After Alice Guo's conviction, authorities turned their focus to Cassandra Leong, who is now at large, according to Senator Sherwin Gatchalian. Senator Risa Hontiveros, meanwhile, expressed shock on the news of Ong's release. Luisa Erispe has the full story.
The plenary was shocked today after it was revealed that Cassandra Leong is now at large, even though a warrant of arrest has been issued against her by a court in Pasig Regional Trial Court for qualified human trafficking related to the illegal operations of Pogo. During the Senate deliberations for the proposed budget, the DOJ revealed that it has been a while since Ong was released.
Ngayon po si Cassandra Leong, naka-release ho siya. Actually, nagulat rin ako. Pareho ho tayo nagulat kasi tinututukan ho natin tong case.
Tracking back to how Ong was released, it was December 2024 when Congress lifted the contempt order against her and was released from detention at the Correctional Institute for Women or CIW in Mandaluyong City. But the senators asked, how can she be tracked down now and arrested?
Nakakabahala talaga na at ngayon pa na humaharap na si Cassandra Leong sa kaso sa RTC sa Pasig. So paano na po magiging katulad ba sa sitwasyon ng gobyerno kay Harry Roque na hindi present yung tao para humarap sa proseso?
Nung nakalabas siya, tsaka lang na-filing kaso, at large siya ngayon.
Senator Gatchalian spoke in behalf of the DOJ as a budget sponsor and said Ong is being tracked by authorities and there is a request for the cancellation of her passport. The Bureau of Immigration or BI has no record of her leaving the country yet.
Mayroon na siyang warrant of arrest, hinahanap na ho siya ng ating kapulisan dito po sa within our jurisdiction.
Attorney Harry Roque is one of the accused in the said case, along with Ong. As of now, there is a request for the cancellation of his passport, and authorities are working hard to arrest him.
Kay Harry Roque, since wala ho siya dito sa Pilipinas, wala pong jurisdiction ang korte over him. At dahil po kailangan ho siyang nandito sa Pilipinas. So yun po ay nakapending rin. Dahil nga may warrant of arrest na ho siya, so ang kanilang ginawa ay pakansela po yung kanyang passport para ma-inform po ang Interpol ng red notice at ma-aresto siya ng Interpol.
Luisa Erispe from the National TV Network for a new and better Philippines.